Ambivalent, having mixed feelings or contradictory ideas about something or someone. Example, she was ambivalent about the new job offer. Inevitable, certain to happen, unavoidable. Example, the changes in the economy were inevitable. Eccentric, unconventional, and slightly strange. Example, the artist had an eccentric personality and lived in a converted warehouse. Magnanimous, generous or forgiving, especially toward a rival or less powerful person. Example, the magnanimous businessman donated a large sum of money to charity. Inexorable, impossible to stop or prevent. Example, the inexorable progress of technology has changed the way we live our lives. Impeccable, perfect, without any flaws or mistakes. Example, the chef's impeccable presentation of the dish was almost too beautiful to eat. Ineffable, too great or extreme to be expressed or described in words. Example, the beauty of the sunset was ineffable, leaving the onlookers speechless. Perfunctory, carried out with minimum effort or reflection, cursory. Example, the perfunctory greeting made it clear that he wasn't interested in talking. Prosaic, dull, lacking in imagination or originality. Example, the speech was so prosaic that most of the audience lost interest after the first few minutes. Serendipitous, occurring or discovered by chance in a happy or beneficial way. Example, the serendipitous discovery of a new species of bird caused excitement among scientists.